Hi, welcome back to Grammar with Arif. I'm Arif. Today I'm going to teach you 4 different usages of gerund. Some people are confused differentiating between gerund and participle. Let me explain the difference first. When a question is asked about gerund, many people say the ing form of the verb is called gerund, which is incorrect because every ing form of the verb is not called gerund. Let me tell you. Verb ing has 5 functions. Verb ing can function as a noun, it can function as a verb, it can function as an adjective, as an adverb, and as a preposition. Now, one of them is called gerund, and that is when it functions as a noun. We can call it gerund. We cannot call it gerund, we cannot call it gerund, we cannot call it gerund, we cannot call it gerund. What do we call them then? We call them participle. When verb ing functions as a verb, it is called participle verb. When it functions as an adjective, it is called participle adjective. When it functions as an adverb, it is called participle adverb. And when it functions as a preposition, we call it a participle preposition. Now, if you call it a participle, you cannot call it a gerund. But if you call it a gerund, you cannot call it a participle. This is the difference. Now, to understand gerund, you need to understand noun first. Now, that was the difference between participle and gerund. Let's have our 4 different structures. The first structure of gerund, no plus gerund. We can use gerund after no. When we use gerund after no, we mean that the action of gerund is prohibited. It is not allowed. We cannot do it. It's prohibited. For example, no smoking in petrol station. It means that in petrol station, this action is prohibited. It is not allowed. You cannot do it. No cheating in test. Students cannot cheat in test. This action or this activity is prohibited. No talking in mosque. People cannot talk in mosque. Talking is prohibited. What is no? No is a determiner here, and it is followed by gerund. Now, the second structure, by plus gerund. By is a preposition, and preposition can be followed by the ing form of the verb, which functions as a noun. Now, by plus gerund shows the method or the manner of doing an action. By plus gerund answers how. If someone asks you how you do something, let's suppose, how did you lose your weight? So you can use by plus gerund to answer this question. Now, for example, he passed the test. I want to know the method how he passed the test. He passed the test by cheating. This was his method. He passed the test in this way. She makes money. How does she make money? How does she earn money? I want to know about the method she uses. She makes money by teaching. This is her method of earning or making money. We can use by plus gerund at the beginning of a sentence. By not eating, it means that if you don't eat, you can lose some weight. So here, by not eating, this action can be performed. By teaching, this action is performed. This is the method of making money. Cheating is the method of passing the test. The third structure, go plus gerund. We can use gerund after go. Now here, go means to do. It does not mean to move from one place to another place. Like Ali is going to the market. No. Go does not mean to move from one place to another place. Here, go means to do. And here, gerund refers to an activity which is done for fun, which is done for entertainment or leisure activities. It is not done for a necessity. No. Here, go plus gerund means that we do something for entertainment, for fun. For example, he went skiing. Now, skiing is not something we need. It is something we do for fun. And here, went does not mean that he went from one place to another place. No, it means that he did it. He did this activity for fun, for entertainment. I have never gone hunting. Now, hunting is not something we need in our life. It is something we do for fun. Hunting is fun. She often goes shopping. Now, sometimes people shop for necessity and sometimes people shop for fun. When it is for fun, we will use go plus gerund. She often goes shopping. It means that she does not need anything, but she goes to the market anyway. They go boating. Now, boating is done for entertainment, for fun. We don't need it. They go boating. The last structure, need plus gerund. We can use gerund after need. Remember, this structure has passive meaning. You have to use it very carefully because here the subject is affected by this action, which means that subject is the object of this activity. Subject receives this action. For example, the room needs cleaning. Now, logically, the room cannot perform this action. It means that the room will receive this action. The effect of cleaning will be on the room. The room needs cleaning. We can also use infinitive in passive voice. The room needs to be cleaned. Another example, I need helping. Now, I need helping means that I need someone to help me. Here I will receive help. But in the next example, I need to help. Here I will help someone else. Someone else will receive my help. So need plus gerund has passive meaning.